Exhaust tube bending is a service that's needed worldwide. And this, the Baileigh EB-300, is a machine that can fill that need. It's built of a heavy-duty steel construction, and this machine does come with a quick start tooling package. As you can see here, the different die sizes up to 3-inch and the ability to bend up to 180 degrees on a 5-inch radius. All the dies are color-coded to match with one another, as well as we do have swedging capabilities, which I'm going to show you in just a bit. Now, let's look at some of the finer features of this machine. On this end of the machine, this is where we control the bending functions. Our master power on and off, and we have this really cool feature. You use your knee to operate the ram, so in and out. And what that does, it allows you to keep your hands free to position the material. But wait, there's more. Down here, we have a degree wheel, and that allows you to measure each bend and the ability to replicate it the next time. Now, on the other side, that's where we do our swedging. Now, through the magic of television and editing, while the camera was turned off, I moved the machine so I could show off this side of it. And again, like I was talking about, this is the swedging side of the tool. Over here we have one form of swedging, utilizing this clamp assembly. And you can see how we've actually swedged the material and made it larger. And that's for the ability to slip another piece of tubing into it. Same as the other side. This is our 3-inch side. If you can see this right here, you can see how the tubing has actually been stepped up. Slip the two together, you can weld it, clamp it, whatever you want to do. So now, I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm going to turn the power on here, of course. And for the purpose of this demonstration, I'm going to hold this guard up. But of course, when you're actually using the machine, you're going to want to have the guard down for safety reasons. I've already backed it off. Take a piece of tubing here. Here's part of our clamp assembly, and you can see how it's serrated. That actually grabs the material so it can't move. Position this so you can see it. I'm going to clamp it. And then sneak in our swedging die. Okay, real careful. You can see it actually swedging the material and then backing it out. It's clear. Release the clamp. Open it up. My die's kind of on there. Up, it's off. Perfect. Now you can take your other material and slip it in. Just like so. Okay, now let's go to the 3-inch side. And it's a little bit different because that die is actually multiple piece. You can see that this has actually different segments to it. So as you actually expand and bring this up in size, you're going to have little low areas. So what you want to do is sneak up on it as you're doing it and rotate it, hit it, stretch it, release it, rotate it, and take those lows and make them highs. See how those little gaps are forming? Okay, then release it, rotate it, do it again. Keep sneaking it up, release, sneak it up, release it. Your piece comes off of there, and you can see it's real nice and round. We've taken all those little low spots out of it, made them highs. So I showed you how to swedge this 3-inch tubing. Now I'm going to show you how to bend it. And like I mentioned before, it's really cool. I've got this knee-operated switch, so my hands are free to hold the material. This has the ability to bend up to 180 degrees and a 5-inch radius. And also keep in mind, the thicker the material you use, the less of a pinch you're going to have in it. But for exhaust purposes, this is perfect. This machine is 220 volt single phase. And for more information on this machine or any other, you know what to do. It's easy. Go to Baileigh.com.